Welcome to Chem Plus. Welcome to Chem Plus. Today we're going to look at the reflux the process. It's also called a Quickfit apparatus. Now you should be reflecting on your chemistry to say, where have I learned about the reflux process? This process is used in the oxidation of alcohols to form carboxylic acids. Let's go. The reflux process allows what you are boiling in there, in this case propan 1O and potassium dichromate, the vapors will go up and condense back in, go up and condense back in, because there's a cooling system. You can clearly see water in, water out there. Now, the purpose of this lesson is not just to explain the diagram. The purpose of this lesson is to explain why this process is not safe. If you want, you can pause the video, look at the diagram to see why the reflux process is not safe. Pause the video and think about it. Okay, the very first thing that we can see there is the diagram has got a bang. The reflux process does not need a bang. You don't need a bang, otherwise it's going to explode. The other thing why it's not safe is you've got a clamp there. You would need a clamp on the round bottom flask. In modern day chemistry, we don't even use a round bottom flask. We use a pear-shaped flask. That's for another day. So those are two issues why this is not safe. There's a bang and we need another clamp, otherwise your round bottom flask is going to fall down. Another issue of safety is we don't normally use a Bunsen for this. We use a water bath, otherwise the boiling will be vicious and it can explode again. Alright, the other thing that you will be asked on is, what are the two mistakes? There are two mistakes in this diagram. Pause the video and think about the two mistakes. Pause the video, think about the two mistakes. Okay, let's go. Water in and water out are the other way around. Water in goes in from the bottom, water out at the top. And we do not need a thermometer for the reflux apparatus. Now, the other question that you'll be asked on is, what additional reagent do we need in there? We need an additional reagent, the alcohol plus potassium dichromate. There's an additional reagent that we need in there. What do we need? We need sulfuric acid, because it should be acidified potassium dichromate, right? The very last thing that you need to think about is the purpose of the small glass beads. What do we use the small glass beads for in this? The small glass beads are called anti-bumping granules. They make you have a very smooth boiling. So when you look at the diagram, you should be able to say, why is it not safe? You should be able to say, what are the mistakes? You should be able to say, are the reagents what is required, and the purpose of the small beads. And also, on another day, you will be asked to sketch the diagram of the reflux apparatus. Remember, you do not need a bang. I hope this helps. Bye bye.